Hi, today I'm going to share some of my drawing techniques. My name is Yong. I've worked in China, France, Luxembourg, and I just located in Bucharest, Romania, a very beautiful city where I decided to launch my freelance career. So tips number 1, use different line weight on your drawing. You can draw the edge of the building you want to present with a heavier line, or if the skyline is really beautiful and you want to show people that, use a heavier line. When I was in Fine Art Academy of Xi'an in China, we have all the time the training, sketching, drawing, colors, and one thing the teacher really want us to listen is looking at the big pictures. Don't focus too much on details. Quick trick to make sure that all people are on the right perspective is that you draw a line, and you can draw a line, and you draw people, and every people's head is more or less on this line, except for 2 meters person or children. Do not use too much, do not draw everywhere too black, and do not draw, leave some space to breathe. And it's very useful to draw from other artists, so you learn their way of drawing and observing. But there are good examples and bad examples. Here are some drawings of Le Corbusier. It's simple, efficient, artistic. More importantly, it represents reality. And this is another British architect, and this is another British architect's drawing that I like. Simple, realist. Here we have some bad examples. That doesn't mean it's bad drawing. The artists are clearly very talented and skilled, but the beauty doesn't come from design itself. It's beautiful because the artist is very skilled with the lines and the colors. So even if he draws some trash, it will still look beautiful. So in one phrase, it's not realist. It's not the right kind of drawing for architect. And here we see the comparison of the two buildings. And last but not least, enjoy. Because it's like life. It's not about the result, it's about the journey. You should enjoy the process of the drawing. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you soon next time.